this is my bike check. Got a premium Soul Plus 2011 frame, premium forks, Alienation 440 rim, Demolition Volumia hub, Primo spokes, shadow. I don't know, whatever. G-Sport hub guard, I don't need it. Fit Sky High bars, Odyssey Griswold grips, Colt bar ends, premium stem, Cane Creek headset, premium North Star sprocket, premium cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, stock bottom bracket, chain, flyer on front tire, 2.25. Premium Futurist tire, 2.10. Premium back hub. Alienation Black Sheep rim. 3 ASL. McNeil seat, pivotal, stock pivotal seat post, stock seat clamp, bracelet, and yeah, that's my bike check.